What's up, guys? I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and today I'm super excited because I know that today I'm going to change someone's life, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $1,000 a week with Craigslist for absolutely free. Guys, I guarantee you somebody watching this video, this is definitely going to change your life. I don't want to wait any longer, so let's go ahead and start right now. Hey guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and this is going to be a super short video because it's a very simple concept that I'm about to teach you guys, that you can literally put hundreds of dollars in your pocket starting tomorrow, starting this week, hundreds of dollars, and even probably up to $1,000 a week doing this method. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to go to Craigslist and go to your local area. And Craigslist has a section called for sale, right? And underneath for sale, there's a section that is called free. Now, in this section, guys, people in your local area is actually giving away things that they don't want. They are giving it away. It's free. It's under the free section. All you have to do is just go get it. So as you can see here, I've clicked on the free section, and if you scroll down here, I mean, you have a couch and recliner. You have, let's see, 6 computers, 3 monitors, and 2 keyboards. We have another sofa sleeper couch. We have a kid's bunk bed. We have free house items. We have a TV. We have another 55-inch TV. We have a TV stand. Guys, this goes on and on and on and on. A free picnic table. The people are just giving the stuff away. Side-by-side refrigerators, it's free. Guys, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your local area and you're going to find some of these items. You're going to grab your truck, and if you don't have a truck, you just borrow your neighbors or your cousins or your family member or something like that, and you're going to go spend the weekend picking up as much free stuff as possible, right? It's free. Then you're going to turn around and you're going to go bring it home, and then you're going to go list the same products and the stuff that you picked up for free on this website called OfferUpcom. And OfferUpcom is basically a marketplace where, you know, you can basically list items in your local area for sale, and you can list it for whatever you want. So people can actually, you know, in your local area see what you're listing, and things on this site actually sell very, very quickly, guys, because I've actually sold probably a couple $1,000s worth of stuff on this website myself personally on OfferUp, just some stuff around the house that I was just trying to get rid of. So if you're getting this stuff for free, you can list this stuff for anything. So, I mean, if you feel it's valued at $30, list it for $30. If you feel it's valued at $100, you list it for that. $200, $300. You never know what you're going to find on this site and what is going to be valuable to another person, right? So this is an easy way that you can start actually generating income without you having to do anything other than going to, you know, pick up some stuff that's in your local area, right? And then you go over here and you list it and you start making dinero, guys. So think about it. If you spend a weekend picking up some stuff, and then, you know, the next couple of days you list everything, and then throughout the week or maybe a specific time on the following weekend, you're bringing in the dinero because you're selling all this stuff. And it doesn't even matter if you sell it for cheap because it's all profit, right? Easy way that anybody can start generating income immediately starting this week, you know, making money. And then you can take that money, you do whatever you need to do with it, right? So you can invest it back in your online business. You can buy advertising with that. You can use it to pay bills. You can use it to have fun with. You know, guys, this is a free way that you can utilize Craigslist, pick up the stuff and sell it, right? So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of short, but just wanted to get something out there to show you guys that there is no limit to ways to make money online, guys. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Go ahead and leave a comment below. And make sure you grab my free ebook at johnmcneil.com. I teach you how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z. Guys, I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.